What's up, guys? It is your boy, man, Mr. Smile, man. Back at it again, making another video, guys. Today, as I saw all that title, you know I'm about to do an unboxing MacBook Pro. Okay, I'm about to just get straight into it. I don't got nothing to say, really. I haven't been posting as much. I need to start posting more. And now that I got this, I definitely will be posting, guys. I got y'all. Yeah, another little plastic wrap, okay. So guys, this is the 16-inch, the base model 16-inch, My first MacBook ever. Any kind of Apple computer ever. Okay. Yeah. So we got Jalen here, by the way. Jalen right here. Well, yeah. Y'all can see, I'll show him later, but look at, this is huge. So that's what she said. So you guys already know we got the instructions, the Apple stickers, you already know. Great Apple stickers. Charger head, you know. You got the charger cable. Y'all know the deal, you know the basics. So let's get to the computer. What you know about that? Pretty big. Already got fingerprints on it. Already got fingerprints. By the way, they're chilling right there. You know. But y'all know when you open it, automatically turn on. We gotta see this. Anyways, look at this. Look at this. Base model again. Wow. Got the touch bar. It's 2020. And it turned on. Just gonna remove this real quick. Guys, this is huge. You can see me. This is fire already, guys. I watched so many unboxing videos of these guys because I was trying to get one, and it's finally here. I know my unboxing video is probably trash, you know, but I just got straight to it. So I'm about to set it up real quick. And you know, I'll be back. I'll let y'all know what's happening. So guys, I'm actually real sorry about that. Like, I rushed the video a lot. I think I had to get ready for work. And yeah, guys, I wasn't that loud. And I was a little bit distracted by my brother. Anyways, guys, this is like the fourth day of me having it. I really don't know why I rushed that video. I mean, I guess it was because I had to work. But anyways, guys, the box, you know, you know, the computer's not in there anymore, but you know, the box is big, guys. Look at it compared to my head. First of all, it's pretty big. Everything already is taken out except for the Apple stickers. Now, guys, I got the one that came with AirPods. It came with AirPods, but I already had AirPods, so I actually sold them already. They came like 2 days early. But look what I got for the computer. It's a multi-port, the USB-C hub, you know, so you could plug in multiple things. Anyways, guys, let me show y'all the computer a little bit. Don't judge it, it's a little bit dirty up here. Now look. You know, you open it, you got your little lights. There's my port right there. Oh yeah, and I never showed y'all. I actually have as I can see, a mouse pad, guys, that lights up. Let me plug it up for y'all real quick. So yeah, guys, I actually did get a mouse pad. You know, there's my keyboard from the unboxing. And also, I got a mouse with it. And I also got this all from Amazon. As you can see, the mouse pad came from Amazon. They sent me this. Said I could get a $15 gift card from there. If y'all want that, let me know in the comments, because I don't really need it. They're going to send me it. And, you know. Anyways, that's my mouse, you know. Also changes color. And you could change it to many different things. Now look, you know, you got your little Touch ID. Unlike with Touch ID, you know, it's pretty nice. My bad, school, you know. Anyways, this is my wallpaper right here, as y'all can see. I was gonna customize the wallpaper, but I was kind of too lazy, so I picked a random background. The only thing I put in was the characters from Dragon Ball Z at the Kame house, as you can see, you know. But everything else around these characters, that came with the background. I already got games, you know, Minecraft and all that. Just trying it out. This game, the PC is super fast, guys. But you know, everything works perfect, you know. I didn't want to refurbish one. I had to get a new one. This is the 16-inch base model, by the way, guys. This is the base model. And let me tell you guys, the base model, it really can run anything, guys. Here's all the buttons. I didn't show nobody, or I didn't show you yet. All the buttons. You know, I got OBS Studio and all that. I'm definitely gonna be making videos on here. I already tried Fortnite also. I tried Rocket League. You know, you can't play Rocket League on here, so you gotta get like a Windows version on here. So that's what I did, guys. I got the Windows version. I tried it out. You could really game on the base model, guys. It's no joke. I watched so many videos about it, and YouTubers, they make it seem too like serious for the graphics, but it's really not. If you turn down the graphics, it's gonna be perfect. But anyways, all the games I play right so far with high graphics literally are so smooth. The only problem is literally, guys, the only problem is it gets hot super fast. The MacBook, it really gets hot super fast. With it getting hot super fast, like anything you do, it's gonna get hot super fast. Except for probably watching YouTube, going on a browser. But even though, I don't know, guys, there's a lot of things that can make it hot super fast and easily. And the thing about it being hot and fast, they got the little fans, 2 fans at the bottom. You can hear them, guys. You could really hear the fans. The speakers are super nice, like actual. It's like Alexa right there. That's how it's louder than Alexa, guys. But anyways, this computer is super nice, guys. And you definitely could game on it. And I'm gonna be making videos on here soon, guys. Probably might make one today. And I gotta learn how to edit on here. I'm gonna try to edit this video on here also. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry about rushing that video, man. I rushed it. I was quiet. Stuff was going on in the background. He could hear a show and all that. My keyboard was unboxing was better than that. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you on the next video, y'all. It's Mr. Smile, man. Also, I'm thinking about changing Mr. Smile. I'm starting out to like that. Gotta think of something else. Or I might just stay Mr. Smile forever, man. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Whenever the next video is, I'm gonna try to post more soon. Y'all definitely gotta let me know what y'all want in the comments. Like, y'all really gotta tell me. Glitch videos, of course. Y'all love the glitch video. I'm trying to tell you. My last glitch video, I think, got 2.5K. Yeah, y'all. Actually, the last videos I posted was glitch videos. They all got like more than 1K, I think, which is amazing for my channel. But I haven't posted it so long. I need to get on it, guys. I just don't know what to post. Because every time I post like just a gaming video of me, I can only get like 50 views. I'm trying to get all the views. I'm trying to get my subscribers up, guys. Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video, man. It's Mr. Smile, man. I'll see y'all in the next one. Let's go.